Jihed, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
One of the greatest challenges facing this business is digital transformation and how that is reshaping the lending business, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Actually, digital transformation is not specific to lending. So there's a broader digital transformation ongoing in financial services. Lending is part of it. And through supporting financial institutions around the world for more than a decade digitalize their lending activities, we've shaped our own view of it. And basically for us as axefinance, digital transformation is a virtuous wheel of automation that leads to generate your processes and activities generating more consistent data streams that open more opportunities for even more intelligent automation and, at the end of the day, innovative business models. So there's an operating model side of it, but there's also a business model side of it, and that's how lending is being reshaped, and we're happy to be part of it, actually.
You mentioned data there. How could data further disrupt the business too?
Lending is all about decision making. So you accept a client, you rate them, you score them, you approve a request for a loan, and the emergence of machine learning and combined with the wealth of data that is available within the organization that we unlock by implementing our solution at our clients, but also the external data that is increasingly available for financial institutions. And that combination, machine learning and the wealth of data, is opening a game-changing opportunities for the lending business. And it's also changing the way lenders decide to basically win new business. So it's a huge opportunity, actually, all these data.
So with all of that in mind, how do you identify the greatest opportunities that are out there with that evolving landscape that you're mitigating for too?
Yeah, actually, it's very interesting because after we implement our solution that streamlines the whole lending business at our clients, we start getting completely different questions. For example, how can we identify, or how can we set up a fast-track approval process for a specific micro segment, or how can we enhance the communication, the multi-channel communication with another segment in order to make sure that they have the best possible package. So these are eminently business model questions, and just by having the data available at our portal, our clients start having more insights. So what we've done, and to go back to the opportunities, we have put machine learning at the top of our development roadmap, and we are working with our clients in order to, as fast as possible, have a solution that is ready for the next wave of automation in order to help our clients unlock those opportunities. It lays in better understanding your client, better understanding your market dynamics thanks to the data and machine learning, and then react on those by shaping the right products at the right time for those.
All of this must bring challenges too, though. There's a lot of conversation this week at this conference about cybersecurity in particular and the use of tech being safe going forward for companies. How do you mitigate for that?
Our solutions are at the highest standards in terms of security, in terms of privacy, in terms of access to the data that we have, that our clients have on our portal. Of course, it is at the end of the day the client's policy in terms of data privacy and how they go with the data. What we make sure is that our solution enables them to be compliant with the latest regulations in terms of data, and we are definitely at that edge. So.
You talked about edge there. How on earth do you keep that edge and stay ahead of the game when it is evolving so quickly? You must have to be so nimble.
Yes, we do that by having a client-centric approach. So our development roadmap is shaped by and with our clients, and that's how we stay ahead of the market. We start by understanding our client challenges and try to craft those into our product as quick as possible, starting by the most eminent one. So machine learning was one, cybersecurity is a second one, but there are plenty of others. So we are by natively client-centric, if I might say.
So despite all the tech we've been talking about, it's still all about your personal human relationships too?
It is. We are a focused company, and we would like to remain focused on our business, but most of all on our clients. And that's actually the ingredient, the secret ingredient of my success. Well, it's not secret anymore, it's public now.
Thanks for sharing it, Jihed. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Thanks very much.